everybody, Jessie here with my mom, and today we're going to show you how to make a quick and easy dance party project on Scratch.
Let's go!
So first, we pick a backdrop.
Which one do we choose?
I want a disco one.
Disco one. Where is it?
It's the spotlight one.
Spotlight?
Oh, yeah.
Ah,
Oh, I see it.
okay, cool. Next, we delete this cat
Yeah.
and then?
And then we pick a new dancer.
Alright. Oh yeah, let me search for
Dance.
dance. Okay. How about this guy?
Yeah,
Champ.
Champ 99.
Okay, looks good. Too big.
Yeah, I think we should make it 50,
Alright.
half the size.
Okay, let's try. Perfect. Move a little bit. So now what do we do?
We have to try to make it dance.
Alright, how do you do that?
First we do on start,
Okay,
and we want him to dance a lot and like forever, so we do a forever loop.
makes sense.
And he has a set of costumes, which are each his steps, his dance steps.
Yeah,
So we do next costume so that he keeps repeating them.
alright.
But we don't want him to go too fast, so we do a weight block in between.
Weight
And-
block after the
yeah.
costume.
And let's try 0.2 seconds.
Okay. You want to test it out?
Yes.
Alright, let me try. Cool.
Yes.
This looks good,
Yeah.
right?
So now let's add a start and stop button so that we can control his dancing. So we can use a ball.
Okay, let me look for one. Beautiful. And then I need to write like says dance.
Dance, yeah.
Let's do that. Let's find a text box. Type dance.
And an exclamation mark.
Of course. Never forget the exclamation mark, right? Alright, too big. Let's just resize and fit it inside the ball.
Too big.
Too big? Okay.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Perfect. Okay. So this is the dance button, right? And we need another button for stop.
Yeah.
But before that, should I change the font?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that. Okay. Let's fix the position of the button. Let me move it all the way to the left.
And make it bigger.
Bigger, yes. Okay, looks good. Okay.
Now let's make another one for stop.
Stop. Again, I'm getting a ball. I'm going to type the same thing. This time I'll say
Stop.
stop with an exclamation mark, right?
Yeah.
Never forget that. Alright, let's do the same thing. I could do the balls in a different way as well. I could just copy paste the ball from the dance, but this is another way to do it. Okay, fix the position again. Beautiful, perfect. Okay, so now this looks good. Now let's add the code for the dance and the stop buttons, right?
Yeah, so that we can make him stop when we press the stop button and dance. So we do when the sprite click because we want it when we tap that button.
Yes.
And we want to send a message to that guy. So we do a broadcast
Broadcast.
and we'll call the message dance.
Dance. So send a message saying dance
Yes.
to the guy. Okay.
And we can do the same for the stop button when the sprite clicked. But instead of broadcasting something, we can just do stop all.
Stop all. Let me look for that. Perfect. But something is missing. What is missing?
I think we need to make the guy listen to the commands.
Oh yeah. So we write some code for the guy as well.
So when I receive that message, the message was dance, the
Yeah.
dance button. So when I receive dance,
Yeah.
he should dance.
Yep.
We already made the code for dance.
Yes. Let's test it out.
Let's see. Dance.
Hey!
It worked!
Works. Alright.
But
How
what about the stop
Yeah,
button?
let's try that.
Good. Oh yes, yeah.
It does.
Totally works.
Okay.
He's almost ready for the dance party, but we still need to add music.
Yeah, let's do that.
So we go to the dance one.
Yeah.
And we go to sounds.
Okay, let me look for that. Let's look for a good
Sound.
yeah.
Dance.
Hmm.
Dance to no.
Let's try it out.
No, I like dead cells first.
Okay, let's try that out.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Now we can play sound dance over until done.
Yeah.
Because we want it to play. And the forever loop so that it just doesn't play it once and then it just stops.
Yeah.
So forever loop.
Put that in a forever loop and
Well, let's try it. The music plays. How about we give him some friends to dance with?
nice idea. Let's look for some friends.
More characters. There you go, friends. Now you have your own dance party.
You can add a button for changing songs.
And you can also add more friends for this dance to dance with. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something new, please like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.